What's up everybody, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting and we are starting on a new project this week. We've got a vinyl wrap on a Volvo S60 using Avery Color Flow Roaring Thunder satin finish vinyl wrap. And it's a really cool color that flops and changes colors and does all kinds of cool stuff depending on what lighting you're in. Sometimes it looks orange, sometimes it looks purple. It's also the same color that one of the guys that works here, Jimmy, his GLI is wrapped in that, but it has a gloss finish. We didn't do that wrap, but it's the same material. So there's a lot of prep that goes into it, just like any wrap, where we remove door handles, mirrors on this car. We didn't have to remove wheels or inner fender wells, but the front bumper did come off. We loosened the rear tail light so we can get back behind there better. We were able to leave the rear bumper on, which is cool. So that's what we've been working on all day yesterday, and hopefully we have the wrapping part of that finished up by the end of the day today, and we reassemble tomorrow. So behind me is the Volvo S60. We just finished up a Color Flow wrap on it. That is Avery Color Flow Series vinyl. They have a couple different colors. This one in particular is called Roaring Thunder. And this is the satin finish. You can get this in a gloss, shiny finish like a factory paint job would be. That's what Jimmy's GLI is. We didn't wrap that car, but it's the exact same color, just with a gloss finish. This is satin, so it's not dead flat like a matte finish would be. It's sort of like right in the middle. It creates a really cool effect with this Color Flow. Looks a lot different than the gloss material does, actually. If you take a walk around the car, you can see we wrapped all of the painted surfaces. So when the doors of the car are closed, everything looks like that color, or colors, I guess. The Color Flow vinyl is directional, so when you're installing it, you have to be careful which direction you install it on the car. If not, it will look like different colors. Like one door will look a different color than the door behind it or something. Just a little bit more care has to go into the wrap process. We did remove door handles, mirrors. We pulled the bumpers on this car to remove all the trim out of the bumpers. But you can see the final result basically looks like a paint job. Even the difficult pieces like the door handles and things are wrapped perfectly. Everything's tucked behind. And when you open the door, there is some of the factory color showing through. We did not pull the doors off the car to do the door jambs. We can do that, but it costs a lot more money. It's very time consuming. And this is a black car. There's really no reason to do that. It looks nice and matches anyhow. So this customer also decided to leave the badges off the back of the car. We removed those to wrap for obvious reasons. They usually says Volvo S60 T5. We kept all of those off. It makes a much sleeker appearance in the back and sort of gives it a little bit more of a custom look. It doesn't look like every other S60 on the road. If you like the wrap, if you like the color of this car, make sure you hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel for more vinyl wrap content.